This demo showcases how quickly and easily you can set up the AMD KD240 kit and run the Sensor-Based Field-Oriented Control or FOC accelerated application. First, take the provided micro SD card from the starter kit and flash the latest SD card image provided by AMD. This demo uses Ubuntu as the operating system and have programmed our micro SD card in advance using SD card imaging software. Next, insert the programmed micro SD card and connect the cables to the starter kit. Remove the 4 rubber feet from the bottom of the KD240 board in order to attach it to the assemble plate of the motor accessory pack. Use the 4 mounting screws to securely attach the kit onto the assembly plate. By doing so, the connectors on the KD240 kit are close to the 24-volt BLDC motor plus encoder solution. Connect the Ethernet, USB UART, and motor accessory kit cables to the KD240. Select the correct COM port on your PC or laptop. Configure the communication channel setup via a common terminal program. Connect the power supply and turn on the kit. The power LEDs should illuminate. Check the terminal window to see the boot sequence. Follow the instructions from the Getting Started webpage to install the FOC app for the motor accessory kit. Once installed, launch the motor control application from the Ubuntu command line. The motor control application is now up and running on our KD240 target hardware. Next, open the motor control GUI in a browser window on the host machine. The GUI provides remote control ability over the motor control application that is running on KD240 target hardware. Using the controls within the GUI, you can observe the change in target RPM on the motor that is now spinning on the target hardware. No FPGA expertise or hardware experience is needed to run this sensor-based FOC accelerated application. It took less than 1 hour from setting up the KD240 drive starter kit to running the FOC accelerated application. This application is a glimpse of many possibilities with the KD240 drive starter kit. To explore other accelerated applications for motor control or DSP, the Kria App Store enables Kria SOM users to evaluate accelerated applications in just a few steps. AMD offers production SOMs in both commercial and industrial temperature grades for volume deployment. With the KD240 drive starter kit and production Kria K24 SOM, you can quickly move from development to deployment for countless applications, including the motor control applications we discussed today. Visit the AMD KD240 starter kit page to learn more about the board or to purchase the kit.